Complement the storied past of your pedestal desk with a traditional tabbed glass chair mat. More than ornamental, each of these 5 designs undergo an additional CNC process to create a tab that fits neatly between the desk legs or pedestals. Each glass chair mat is made from US certified tempered glass, making it incredibly durable and impact resistant. Whether you choose Chiaro's Standard Clear or Luminoso Low Iron Ultra Clear, your glass chair mat will hold up to 1,000 pounds of weight. The 1/4-inch thick tempered safety glass goes through a rigorous inspection to guarantee the highest quality product for your home. And for added durability, we apply Invisible Shield Pro 15, a clear nanotech coating to help resist fine scratches. Setup is simple with our curated care pack. Inside, you'll find an easy lift tool to help you safely move your glass chair mat, our Stabilidot bumper system to keep your glass chair mat firmly in place on hardwood, carpet, or tile. We believe in creating stylish office furniture that lasts a lifetime. We give you a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and our transferable lifetime warranty. If you don't love it, send it back for free. That's part of our Vitrazza promise.